given you full detail of the server, client, which computer is supposed to be server, right? Then the WAMP, what is WAMP, full detail about the WAMP, Windows Apache MySQL PHP, right? Right now, here we are going to discuss how to install the WAMP server. So here is the software. This software I copied to all of you. What you have to do with this? First of all, right click here and click on extract. This is inside zip, that's why first of all you have to extract. Now this WAMP is in extracted form. Double click. Two versions are here available, 1.6.6 and 1.7. If you are having, or if on the internet you are going to find some advanced version, you can install, right? I'm going to install 1.6.6. double click. Two options are available, next and cancel. So if you are going to cancel, wizard will get cancelled. Click on next. Of course you have to accept the license agreement. I accept license agreement. Next. Now it's saying that it will install the WAMP directory inside C drive, C:\\WAMP WAMP. Next. When you click on start, here in the start menu it will create a folder by the name of WAMP server. It's fine. Again click on next. Okay, auto start. If this check is on and you are going to start your computer, as the computer gets start, WAMP server will be started automatically. If this check is on and you are going to start your computer, as your computer gets start, the WAMP server will start automatically. But if this check is off, WAMP server will be offline. Manually you will start it. Auto start. This option clear? When the check is on and as you start your computer, WAMP server will be started automatically. If the check is off, if you are going to start your computer, shut down your computer, there will be no effect. You will start the WAMP server manually yourself, right? Again next and install. Now here is going to ask two more questions, and after that okay, browse for folder. Browse for folder. For which one folder? The folder where you will save your files. That area where you are going to save your PHP files, right? So on the C drive, automatically it has selected WAMP, and inside WAMP it has selected the www directory. Automatically it is selected. If you are going to select another folder, yeah, you can select, but this is the default directory, WAMP, and then inside the C drive, WAMP and www, right? And click on OK. Now here you're not supposed to change this thing. What's this? This is localhost. You are not supposed to change this localhost. And I can't explain what's the meaning of localhost here, right? But if you are going to change this localhost here, you will create a lot of problem. You will face a lot of problem. You will not be able to run the PHP files, right? And next. Here, if you want to write your email address, you can write here your email address, right? But that the previous step where there was written localhost, you are not supposed to change that localhost. Next. Okay. If you are having such type of option, this is the Windows firewall. It's going to block the software. I'm saying no, don't block, allow access. And click on finish. Close this one. Now in order to check your server that the server is running or not, what you have to do, you have to open Internet Explorer, right? Here you will write http:// what I told you that you are not supposed to change, localhost, right here, localhost, enter. What it's saying, Internet Explorer cannot display the web page. Why? Because the server is not running. Now again click here. I'm having here one, the Camtasia, another one I'm having some Sync Center, another one I'm having AVG, right? Now I'm going to start WAMP server. Start, either right here WAMP WAMP, here you are having start WAMP server, or start all programs, scroll down, click on WAMP server, and here you are having the start WAMP server, right? Now when you click on the start WAMP server, the WAMP server icon will be displayed here in this system tray. When you click on the start WAMP server, the WAMP server icon will be displayed in the here in this system tray. This icon will have a dot here. In beginning, this dot will be red color. Red color represents that the server is offline. After that, this red color will be converted into yellow color. Yellow color represents that it's going to get ready. And after that, this yellow color will be converted into white color. White color is going to represent that the server is now online, server is now working in working condition. Okay, now I'm going to click on start WAMP server. Red color, yellow color and white color. Have you noticed? Now the WAMP server is running now. And again, now check it out here, the same localhost, and I'm going to press enter. The same localhost, and I'm going to press enter. Now the server is running. Up to here clear? Okay. Now the first step, for example, run. In the run I'm going to write notepad. In HTML we used to make the page like this: HTML tag started, HTML tag close. But now this is PHP. So what I have to do for PHP? What you have to write? Less than question mark PHP. Enter, enter, enter. Now question mark and then greater than sign. This is the start of PHP and this is the end of PHP. This is the start of PHP and this is the end of PHP. Right? In Visual Basic, for printing message, what we used to write? For displaying message in Visual Basic, what you used to write? You want to display a message box, what you have to write? MSG box. MSG box. Here I want to display message. So what I have to write? I have to write echo. Echo, double quotes start, double quotes close, and at the end statement terminator or this semicolon, and here in between the double quotes start and double quotes close I am going to write my message. Hello, welcome to the world of PHP. Now where you have to save your file? Before saving your file, minimize my computer, C drive, WAMP, www. Inside www, first of all create a folder here. Folder created, for example this is my first folder. Enter. Now inside this first folder I have to save my file. Watch it out. File and click on save. Where to save? Computer, C drive, WAMP, www. Inside this first I am going to save my file. Now double quotes start and double quotes close as usual. Any file name, but at the end you have to write .php. At the end you have to write PHP. Now no need to write such type of name. For example here I am going to write lecture first.php, lecture first.php, and click on save. Okay, now how to run this file? This is Internet Explorer, right? The localhost, refresh it, scroll down. What it's saying? Your projects. I created the folder by the name of first. Here I'm having the first folder. Click on this first, and inside this first, what I'm having? Lecture first.php. Click on this, and here you are having the output. You cannot run the PHP file by directly double clicking. For example, this is the lecture first.php. Double click on this and see. It's going to open in the Dreamweaver. You cannot open. What you have to do? First of all, you have to create a folder. Inside that folder, you will save that file, and from here, from Internet Explorer, you will do like this. Again, open Internet Explorer. Right here, http://localhost. Enter. If it's difficult for you to open localhost from here, what you can do? click on this WAMP server icon. Clicked. What is this? Click on this localhost from here. Scroll down, and here you are having your project first. Click on this first, and inside this first, what you are having? Lecture first.php. Simply click on this, and here is the output. Up to here, clear? Okay. So let me stop here, and after that I'm going to proceed. Let me discuss something here on the board, and after that